Hello and welcome to number 5 vlog. We're here post race weekend. It's Wednesday and the bike has had a strip down. We had high hopes for the weekend, having 2 races. We had a new caravan to go with us. We were hoping for the first night to be camping in it. The first event was Saturday at War. It was a terrible start, dusty conditions, and I ran out of talent about halfway through the first, well, not even halfway through the first lap. Went through a dust cloud and hit a bank, rolled over, pushed the rads into the fan into the chassis, and we have a broken fan. So that was end of race 1 for the weekend, and we had to drive all the way back from Ludlow to Lincolnshire. I stayed up late on the Saturday, took the rad off, got the rad fan replaced and the motor replaced, all back up and running. Sunday morning off early and out to mid-North Wales to an incredible event, which is probably one of the best tracks I've ridden so far at Dragon. With the opposite thing, we had a great start, achieved the whole shot. Cruising round for the first few laps, got a puncture, so came into obviously a wheel swap, and then about an hour and a half in, I had the steering arm break, unfortunately. So we did about 12-13 hours of driving for maybe an hour and a half of racing. So pretty gutted, but you know, that's things. So as you can see, we've stripped the quad down. It's back to the drawing boards. We're going to have a look at this machine, see what we can do, and we also have a little side project going on now.